Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel. Then disconnect the DisplayBoard wire connector and the touchpad ribbon connector to fully release the panel. Now unthread the 5 screws securing the DisplayBoard mounting bracket and protective covers. Remove the screws to detach the 2 end caps. You're now ready to prepare the new control panel for installation. Align the 2 end caps and secure them with the screws. Position the DisplayBoard and mounting bracket. Align the protective covers. Then thread and tighten the screws. Returning to the range, connect the wire connector to the DisplayBoard and the ribbon connector to the touchpad. Align the new control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. You will now need to install new control knob bezels on the control panel. You can place the bezel in an alignment tool so the locating tab aligns with the red marking on the bezel. This will help you to position the bezel so it is centered over the valve stem. With the 5 bezels secured, replace the control knobs. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.